back on Newsday. An NGO is appealing to multinational oil companies operating in southern Ijaw local government area of Bayelsa State to carry out an environmental audit and recommendation of Ogboinbiri and its neighboring coastal communities impacted by oil and gas pollution. Speaking at an advocacy training, participants also expressed commitment to monitoring their environment. Niger Delta correspondent Timmy George has more.
About 70 rural dwellers from Ogboinbiri, Kemabiama, Kokologbene, Apoy, Okpotuwari and Ondewari communities in southern Ijaw Council area of Bayelsa State are participants in this one-day program organized by the Health of Mother Earth Foundation for a training on environmental monitoring and reporting of gas flaring and other cases of pollution. A holistic approach to pollution and its impacts are discussed in the various sessions of the training.
Bayelsa is one of the most polluted states in the Niger Delta. So Ogboinbiri happens to also be one of the communities that is impacted, heavily impacted by pollution. Our aim here is to bring the people together to highlight and document the environmental impacts, the changes that they are going through, and the sufferings of the people, and also to train them on environmental monitoring, because we believe that through that they will be able to advocate and speak for what they want in their communities.
When the spills occur, you deny the people their means of livelihood. When whole swamps, whole creek has been polluted. What HOMEF is here for is to empower them, to give them more ideas, knowledge on how to reach out to the media on their own, or to do more in terms of reaching out to the oil companies, the government.
The people of Ogboinbiri and their kinsmen in neighboring communities have a history of environmental pollution. They have learnt about environmental audit and remediation with a commitment to exploring available means of communicating to the world.
Diseases that were not rampant before this time, they are so rampant, like cancers and the rest. Aquatic life that our old mothers used to enjoy, we don't enjoy most of them. I am believing the community will do our best, even our neighboring communities that are here, they will do their best in case there is environmental challenge to report to appropriate authorities.
They have educated us much how we can protect our aquatic lives. Pollution affect my skin, I will know. My ears, I will know. Even the eyes, I will see. And I make sure that I report it to the appropriate quarter. They've taught us how to report, how to evaluate. From what we have learned, we can also take it home and tell our people what to do if there is an oil spill.
Such environmental trainings are also needed in other communities in Bayelsa, where the environment is heavily impacted by oil and gas pollution. Timmy George, Arise News.